you're a beginner video editor, here's how to easily add your own custom animated captions completely for free inside of Premiere Pro. So I have a reel right here. I need to add some captions, but every time I use the standard built-in Premiere transcribing feature, it always messes up the words. It gives me a bunch of like random words that I didn't even say. So shout out to Nick Dean. He actually made this cool plugin called Captioneer inside of Premiere Pro. It has a free trial as well, so you can test it out completely for free. Go to Window, you hit Extensions, and then you click Captioneer, and then it loads up and then takes you to a page like this. Now, what do? So first things first, click on where it says Captions, and we're gonna click Auto Caption. Now, Captioneer has its own built-in AI transcriber, so it's like really accurate at getting your words right and like the actual context of things that you said. I'm gonna click Auto Captions, and if I click on these little settings buttons, it's going to allow me to change like how many words I want per caption. Do I want it portrait, square, whatever? I'm gonna go with portrait, and we're gonna do 3 words per caption, and then we're gonna click English. There's also like so many languages in here. Like, look at this. Whatever language you speak, you can basically transcribe it using AI. And then there's a bunch of different models in here. What these models will do is like determine the accuracy of your words. So let's say if you try tiny and it still messes up some words, then you can try base or small or even medium or turbo, which the bigger model you use, the longer it'll take, but the more accurate the words will be. There's even another cool feature which has different like presets for types of videos. So is this a podcast? Maybe is this fast paced? Is this monologue? I'm recording a reel and I kind of already chopped this up, so I'm gonna go with fast paced. And now if you come to this insert page, there's a tab called Mogurts, and this is where it gets really cool. So if you click on this, immediately you'll see all the different animated presets that they have built inside of Captioneer, which all of these actually look pretty good. Like, I could go with a lot of these, but let's say you have your own custom Mogurts. Now, if you're beginner to Premiere, Mogurts are basically animated templates inside of Premiere Pro. I've linked to a free caption Mogurt from my site down below. And basically what this lets you do is you can scroll through all the Mogurts that you have installed in Premiere, and whatever caption style that you want to add, you can add that without having to update and change the text every time. So let's start off with this first Captioneer template from Premiere. And then I can just go ahead and scroll down where it says text, and then I hit create, and then I literally just click add Mogurts, and now it's going to auto transcribe my video, and boom, just like that, automatically it has added captions. And if we play it out, they're all animated. That is pretty crazy. And there's about like 3 words per caption. Some of them have more, but it all fits the screen. It's like vertically adjusted. Now this is really cool. One thing you might notice is, oh my god, it's completely covering my face. I wanted to move it just a little bit up. So in Premiere, you can actually just go to the properties panel right here where it says properties, and then you can just move the position up just a little bit like that, and then boom, that looks super sick. So now we have animated captions. But what if I added these and I'm like, okay, I just don't like that black color for the boxes. I wish I could just change everything. So inside of the properties panel, you can change all the settings. So literally just click one of the captions. Like, I'm just gonna go with this one right here, and then I just click the drop down on box controls. I can change this box color right here to whatever color I want. Let's say I want to go with this blue. And then now we have these nice blue boxes, and I could do, there's like a bunch of other stuff. Box roundness, I can control all these settings. Let's make it round. So we'll do that. And then the only problem is that every other caption is still different. So what I can do is I can just go to this Captioneer tab where it says update. I make sure I select it on my Mogurt. I click copy, and then I just select every other caption on the entire track and I hit paste. And then automatically it will adjust every other caption to match that style of that one caption, which is really crazy. Now, of course, this only works if you're using that exact same Mogurt for the entire track, but this is super helpful because it makes it so that you can add your own custom animated Mogurts without having to manually adjust and repeat all the steps and strategies. Originally in Premiere, it's a very destructive style of editing. Like, once you do something, it's set, locked in stone forever. And this way it's super easy because you can change things as you edit, as you like feel out the vibe, get your creative style. So this plugin honestly just makes it really easy, and it's super beginner friendly. But let's say I'm like, what, I don't like these styles. I want to change it to this animated apple caption that I made myself. So I can just go ahead and select all these from the timeline, and then I just go ahead to where it says create, and it's just going to do the same exact process and just update it with a new caption track. And it's going to say, do you want to overwrite the content track? And confirm, and then it deletes all the captions and then rebuilds them in this new style, which is super sick. And I can just go ahead and adjust all those settings again from the properties. So I scale it down, and we'll just move it up just a bit like that, and boom, just like that. Now we have a bunch of animated captions adjusted for exactly how we want it. And this just makes it super easy to add your own custom animation. So if you want to check out Captioneer, I've linked down to it below for free. I've also linked to a free caption animation Mogurt. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you want to learn how to automatically cut out all the shaky, blurry, and bad takes of your videos, you can check out this video linked right here.